Hello, everyone. It's important to note that the Flashforge 5M series printers offer two ways to set up auto leveling. The first option is found in the System Settings menu here, and the second option is available in the print interface here, if the printer has been moved, or if the nozzle or build plate has been replaced. We recommend performing auto leveling from the System Settings menu. In this case, you only need to level the bed once, and the system will automatically save the leveling data. When printing with plot-type materials, you generally don't need to enable auto leveling before each print. However, if you're printing with PETG, ABS, carbon fiber composites, or similar materials, we recommend enabling auto leveling before every print. Feel free to share this tutorial with other users. If you have any further questions, please leave your comments below. We will update this video soon.